on the job. Sorry, some of them are still alive over in that section. But by the time they get to you on the assembly line, you only have to deal with the carcasses. So basically, we're gonna have to. First thing you gotta do is just plug the feathers. You just gotta grab on and rip them out. Oh, did that squirt you? That was okay. All right.
Oh my goggles, it's my fault.
All right. Safety first. Remember the video, right?
All right, I'll get the goggles.
Okay, you go get the goggles. I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so then we pick the bird up. Pick the bird up by the wings, right? And you just.
It's still alive. It's still alive.
That one's back in that section. All right, next one. Pick it up by the wings, and you just shake the hell out.
I think it had changed and stuff. I didn't know they had time.
We also make chicken piggy banks. For the less yeah. Okay. So anyway, let's try the
Shake
You're shaking it. You're shaking it.
I guess I'll shake it.
You know it. All right. So now it's clearly very dried out. So then we're just gonna pass. We're gonna put it over here. We're gonna take this big knife. We're just gonna whack. I'm gonna karate chop mine, but you can take the knife because there's only one knife.
Okay.
So, and then you do it just how I did it with my hand. Wow, that's a nice sharp knife. All right. So anyway.
It's a samurai sword, actually.
Yeah, I noticed. All right. So now we've got the halves, right? Now you're just gonna have to just pluck out all this stuff, just all the entrails. You'll get used to it. It feels real natural. Go.
Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah. And dump it.
That's funny.
There's actually a bottomless pit over here. It's environmentally friendly. It is, absolutely. So now I'm going to take the other half.
That's less
There's
noise.
not much there. Well,
So the
this
right
is the
half?
big half. Right half's bigger. There's not much. Oh, I missed. That's not it. The next one will hit in about a minute. All right.
What does this machine do?
Oh, well, this is the thing. This is going to separate the chicken. You know that canned stuff? You don't know.
So
you don't need to.
It puts it in the can?
Well, yeah, it rips
Like
apart.
chicken in the sea?
Yeah, I think. So we're gonna put it on this thing right here, on these little levels, and then I'm gonna start the conveyor belt. Ready? We have the air bases nearby. We have jet fighters fly by.
I thought it would be a lot louder than that, so I wasn't sure, but then.
Right. Well, yeah, it's one of those air things. It's a new efficiency model. Real quiet.
All right,
So
I'm ready.
You ready? Start your end. Ready?
Do you have cows here too?
That's just over the wall.
Down to the right?
Oh, God.
I don't have to.
One of them's alive, too. That's awesome. Okay, so now... Oh, that's not good. It's catching up there. What is... Do you hear that? There are bats here. Okay. All right. So...
There's a lot of stuff going on.
There's a lot. It's very... Well, we rent in a large warehouse. Okay.
I'm a little stressed on my first day. I'm not gonna lie.
It's okay. It's your first day. Here. Okay. So let's stop the machine.
I feel rusty.
It needs some grease, but it's budget.
Do you have any grease?
We make the generic chicken, so we don't have as much money.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we just need some W for you on that.
How do you package it together?
Well, that's the next part. See those kind of sealing bags down there? You want to grab one of those?
Sure. I grabbed the wrong thing. I'm sorry.
You did.
Put that back. I don't know
Those
what
are
that
clown
means.
toys. Those are clown toys, yeah.
Interesting. There's no rubber chickens then.
Right. That'll work. Okay. So we're going to set it down here. We're going to clip it to that side. Clip. Little delay on it, but hey. We're going to put this to the side. Ooh. This side's round, that side's square. Okay. So now we just shovel it all in here. Ready, go.
I'm really my nails. I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah.
I'm not
Wow.
going to
Okay. All right, so we're good. All we gotta do is seal this up and get out of here. Ready? So you take your end of the bag.
Ooh, you seal it up?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's like vacuum sealed. All right. So now
Apparently only one kind of cool.
There is. But, you know, let's just pick this up and we'll head on down. We'll be good. That'll be your first day.
All right.
Awesome.
Great.
Oh, God, I threw it in my back. Oh, that was my back. You take this one.
Okay.
You take this one.
Whew.
Oh, do you need, are you feeling all right? Do you need some?